Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video about the Xiaomi BW300. Like, important things that you need to know is that yes, you can have 2K resolution, smart full color night vision for nighttime imaging. Also, the battery life is okay-ish. You're gonna have the water and dust resistant. But this is going to be the most important thing in this video, is that I couldn't find any information if it has SD card. I even looked on the manual about the product and I just couldn't find it. So this is the thing, that this is the big con, that if you're looking for the camera that has an SD card, this is just not it. Then primarily it need to rely on a cloud storage, which is possibly to be paid. So this is a thing that is like really important to know. And also another thing that I couldn't just find it, like how it connects to the network. Another thing that I just couldn't find. So I just want to make this quick video for you regards this. If you're thinking about buying it, I hope this video wasn't useless. So have a great day and goodbye.